What the hell? Come on, tell him not to come in. Tell him not to come in.
He said don't come in.
Don't come in.
He said don't come in. You have 7 seconds.
Hey, buddy.
You have 7 seconds.
See what's nice about it.
Did you block the door?
No,
I could see.
that was there before I even got here.
Really? That's good.
You know, actually, it's hotter out here now. I want to go back in the fridge.
I